How to export your data from Spendee application. Are you guys facing issues to export your data on Spendee app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee app on your mobile device. Once you open the Spendee app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this more icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll be forwarded to this section where you can see multiple options. Just simply scroll down and click on Advanced. After you click on Advanced, you can see the option for export. Click on it. After you click on Export, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the option for Export Data. Tap on it. As soon as you click on it, the data will be exported to your device. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna export data on Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.